In this video I will show you how to use Google Docs voice typing. If you find app voice typing Google Docs, not here. Go to Chrome browser in Android, iPhone, any. Open Chrome browser, search Google Docs sign in and three dot click desktop side check mark. Okay, interface this is open. First go to toolbar. You can see here voice typing. Click microphone allow and this is pop-up voice over any voice typing. So click allow. Hey, I want to record a script on Google Docs. So you can see guys Google Docs recording voice recording start. If you language change here click any language you speak like English, choose you language and convert here type any language. So this video I told you how to use voice typing on Google Docs. If you any problem, so this is step follow you problem your solve. Follow this guys and subscribe me.